Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the most delicious lasagna recipe. It's my first video of the year, so stay tuned guys and enjoy watching. All the ingredients for this recipe is listed out in the description box guys. I have three main things to prep, which is my tomato, sliced onion and grated carrot. In here my tomato is diced canned one, and then for my lasagna sheet I am going for non pre-boiled one. There are some that you have to pre-boil, but this one I don't need to do that. And then I have mixed meat like a beef and the pork, and then some Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese. The exact measurements will be found in the description box guys. If you are new on my channel, thank you so much for joining. My name is Annie Krieger. Please check out my other video for more recipes. To start with, I have just added some olive oil to my pan and then saute my onion in, and next I am going to add in some pressed garlic and also saute. After some minutes of saute, I will add in my mixed meat and also separate from each other. Make sure it does not stick. Look at what I have here. It's all well separated and looks brown. It does not look fresh anymore. So then I will add in my grated carrots and saute for just some minutes. If you have achieved this look, then introduce your tomato paste and incorporate. After you are done, add in your fresh or canned diced tomatoes. If you have been planning to give lasagna a try, then it's time. You don't need to think about it because it's worth it. Lasagna is a very delicious meal, and this recipe I've never tasted anyone that is this good. Please give it a try guys. I'm going to season with some sea salt and some black cracked pepper first. To finish my seasoning, I added some basil, some oregano, and the vegetable powder. After seasoning, you're going to let it cook for about 5 minutes. Taste and see if you are satisfied. If not, please still season with some basil and the oregano. Fresh basil is always the best, so go for one if you have any. And then I will declare with some beef broth. Some people declare with red wine at the beginning, but we're going to stick on beef broth for this recipe, and then cover up to cook for about 25 minutes. For our homemade bechamel for today's recipe, I have this recipe, the exact video on how to make bechamel sauce on my veggie lasagna video. Check out my veggie lasagna recipe. It's the best recipe for veggie lasagna, so check it out. The bechamel sauce is there. As usual, you just mix with some butter, flour, milk, and season with salt, pepper, and the nutmeg. Here we go, we are ready to set. Our bolognese sauce is also ready. Now that we are through with prepped, we are going to do the layout. First, grease your form with any oil of your choice or butter, and then the first layout is bolognese sauce and then bechamel sauce, and then we added the lasagna sheet, and then we're gonna add in bolognese again, some bechamel sauce and Parmesan cheese on top. You will do this until you have the full layout, depending on how deep is your form. So I did 4 layout today, so the last layout is Lasagna Sheets, and then the Bolognese sauce and Béchamel sauce. I added some basil. You can go for basil if you have one. I just have basil. And then my sliced mozzarella cheese. We're going to bake for about 40 minutes on an 160-degree C. After 40 minutes, this is what our lasagna looks like. It's amazing. It looks so good. The mozzarella cheese is the best to go for on top. Thank you so much, guys, for always tuning in. If you haven't seen my other videos, I will appreciate it if you check them out. They are interesting recipes. Please check them out. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comment down below. Hubby could not wait to let it cool down, so I have to cut and serve. See you in my next one, guys, and Happy New Year. Bye for now.